This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about aluminum takeout containers. Specifically, these aluminum containers with polka dot lids. And these are a fun, festive option for aluminum takeout containers. We have both a 12-ounce and a 16-ounce capacity, and a couple of really fun colors. There's the black and gold, which features a black exterior with, as you can see in the back, a gold interior. The blue, pink, red, and finally silver, meaning you have lots of attractive options for packing up your goodies, whether they be sweet or savory. They all feature a nice polka dot lid design for just a festive, whimsical touch. And you can see the containers themselves are a great sturdy aluminum. They feature the nice little fold down ridges on the edge that makes it easy to secure the lids in place. And you can see the lids themselves even have a nice little metallic lining as well. They're nice, flexible, and easy to use, meaning it's easy to secure hot foods, and these aluminum containers will help keep them warm in transport and keep them warm for longer, meaning that they're ideal for things like catering functions or any time you need to keep those foods hot for a long period of time, or you might need to reheat them. And one of the features is that these aluminum trays are oven safe. It's important to note that the lid should always be removed first and should never be put in the oven. But it makes reheating, especially when you know your clients are going to want to use their oven, really easy to do because they don't have to transfer it to another container and there's nothing extra to wash up, which is fantastic. They're safe to use both in the oven or on a grill. They're also puncture resistant, and those lids are easy to secure and really help keep messes contained, especially during transport. Think things like saucy barbecue. It's going to be easy to keep that down in there and then easy for your clients to reheat themselves. These are eye-catching little containers, and the colors make them perfect for a range of informal events and a variety of other uses. So think your business, you might have some logo colors, you want to stay on brand. This is a great way to do that. It's also fantastic for matching themes to events or other things like that. Anytime you need to add a pop of color, a little festive cheer, this is a great way to do that, making them perfect for barbecues, picnics, and a variety of other parties, for professional caterers, and any kind of food establishment that's looking to do to-go service and add that extra special touch, making them perfect for barbecues, picnics, and other types of parties, for professional caterers that are kind of looking to step up their service and add that extra special touch with a pop of color and a little bit of whimsy. And they're great for any food establishment that's doing to-go service and really wants to provide some attractive packaging to help entice their customers to come back and order again.